है जिसमें पेज नंबर 9 पे ये एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 2 है आज का। तो देखेंगे जैसा कि एम आपको दिख रहा है, हम लोग यहाँ पे KMnO4 का स्ट्रेंथ मालूम करेंगे फेरस अमोनियम सल्फेट के नॉन सॉल्यूशन से। तो इस एक्सपेरिमेंट को हम लोग स्टेप वाइज देखेंगे। सबसे पहला स्टेप होगा वेइंग ऑफ फेरस अमोनियम सल्फेट। वी विल weigh 3.92 ग्राम ऑफ फेरस अमोनियम सल्फेट। So look here how to weigh the ferrous ammonium sulfate 3.92 gram. First of all, we will put watch glass on the platform of the balance. We will press tear button and make it 0. After that, you will add slowly 3.92 gram of ferrous ammonium sulfate. It will be indicated in the display 3.92. It is 3.6. It is now 3.92. It is 3.92. This is the first step. How to weigh? See here. Yes, this is 3.92 gram of ferrous ammonium sulfate. This is the first step of your experiment. Preparation of a standard solution of FAS. I have already weighed 3.92 gram of ferrous ammonium sulfate. We will put in the beaker and dissolve it in the first of all little amount of water. Dissolve the whole solution, whole salt in the little amount of water, and then transfer it into the volumetric flask. Transfer it to the volumetric flask and fill the volumetric flask up to the mark. As you see here, up to the mark you have to fill. Yes, you have to fill water up to the mark. Yes, after that you shake the volumetric flask 3 to 4 times. Now the standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulfate is ready, and it is the second step of your experiment. This apparatus is known as burette. You will fix burette in the stand in such a way that the number should be towards you to read it clearly. Yes, first of all, suck little amount of KMnO4. Slowly, so that there is no gap in the burette. After that, you fix the burette in the stand in such a way that the number should be towards you, so that you can read it very easily. And now put funnel. Fill the burette up to 0 mark. With the help of funnel you can fill it. And fill it up to 0 mark. Yes, you just adjust 0 up to 0 mark here. Yes, this is the third step of your solution, how to fill the burette. Fourth step of your experiment is titration. So you will pipette out. This is the pipette. You have to pipette out 10 ml of ferrous ammonium sulfate. How to pipette it? Look here. up to mark you have to fill. This is the 10 ml. You see here, up to mark you have to fill. Yes, this is the 10 ml of FS, and fill it in the you have to transfer 10 ml of FS in the conical flask. This is the conical flask, and you have to add 1 test tube of sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, and that is in bottle number 4. Yes, you have to put 1 test tube of dilute sulfuric acid in 10 ml of FS solution that I have taken in the conical flask. Yes, after that you will add slowly KMnO4 in this conical flask so that the color, it turns from colorless to light pink. You will start experiment dropping drop by drop. You have to add drop by drop. You have to add drop by drop KMnO4 solution till its color change from light from colorless to pink. Yes. Colorless to pink you have to add. You have to add it. Yes, from this is from colorless to pink. Yes, you will read burette when it converts from colorless to pink. This is 9.2. This is 9.2, and you have to write this reading in this table. That is the first reading is 9.2. Again you will fill the burette up to 0 mark. Again we will titrate the reading somewhat, maybe 9.2 or 9.3. Let us consider this is 9.3. Then you will write here 9.3. Again you will fill the burette and you will titrate it, and then the reading will be same. That is let it is 9.2. You have to write here, and after that you will write CBR. The CBR will be 9.2. After that you have to write the calculation as it is. In place of CBR you have to write 9.2. In place of CBR you have to write 9.2, and final calculation will be 0.2 upon 9.2. If you will calculate it by log of 2 bar 1.3010, log of 9.2 0.99638. We will subtract this, then it becomes bar 2.3372, and anti-log you will see 0.0174, and finally you will write the molarity of KMnO4 solution 0.02174 m. Yes.